southeastern states, it may start to make its way north, and we could see a little bit here. But beautiful lakeshore conditions through this afternoon. We'll take you to Holland as well, where you can see a lot more blue skies, but looking to the north and the west, we do have some clouds overhead, a little bit of the wildfire smoke mixing in some areas. It'll get a little worse this afternoon, but the water very, very calm, favorable with the easterly wind. But those water temperatures, these are the updates over the last 30 minutes. You can see already back to 60 in Saugatuck and South Haven. As we keep with this steady easterly wind, though, it's going to push the warmest waters to the west. We'll get that upwelling from the cooler waters underneath the surface, start to swell back up, and we'll see those cool down. But wave heights low today, and sunshine will dominate through the afternoon. Here's a look at winds going forward. It's going to play a part in not only wave heights and the water temperatures, but also for the risk of fire weather. Through this afternoon, not going to be terrible. Some wind gusts may be upwards of 20 miles per hour. As we get into Tuesday, this looks to be the windiest day of the week. It may not be our driest day, but with this wind, if we get just dry enough, it could bring us the elevated fire risk. Wednesday, strongest winds look to be along and south of 96, which may put some fire risk down near the state line. Temperatures right now, very, very mild. Warmest right along the lakeshore, and then once you get into northern Illinois. So we're sitting pretty right now. Rain to our north and west, keeping us cool in Wisconsin and the UP. But we're sitting pretty here with afternoon temps topping out in the mid to upper 80s. There's that rain up near Rhinelander in northern Wisconsin into the UP. Just some residual clouds down near Kalamazoo, and then another deck of clouds once you get just north of Muskegon. And that'll be the case through the afternoon. So Montcalm County looking to the west, a little bit of those high clouds, but it's not so bad. Areas inland should see pretty good sunshine on through this afternoon. We'll take you on future track for the next several hours. We'll see those clouds continue to dissipate. Going to be a little more of a factor once you get down towards Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, and along that I-69 corridor as it moves off towards Detroit. But by the early Tuesday, we should go back to full sunshine, and it's going to be a nice Tuesday and Wednesday afternoon. Here's a look at future humidity today. Looks like we could get as low as 25, 30%. And then on Tuesday, things have trended a little warmer, at least dew points increasing. So we're looking at about 40 to 45% relative humidity. But if we get anywhere in the 30s, that will change. So the heat to the west, that's what's going to bring us the temperatures into the upper 80s, near 90, as we're going to get our own surface high pressure over the next couple of days. But this low pressure system starting to take a trend to the north. And if that does materialize, we could not only see cooler temperatures into Friday and Saturday, but the chance for some rain as well. So here's one model that's really pushing a lot of rain on us by the time we get to Monday. And then another model where it's also showing lighter rain Friday, Saturday, but then starting to pick up as we get into Sunday and Monday. So still several days out, but the models are trending that we could see a little bit of this rain. And man, we need it. We are in a more than 7.5-inch rainfall deficit, going to add to that here over the next 3, maybe even 4 days. Friday is when we start the relief potential. And maybe catching a lull Saturday before rain chances increase again on Sunday. So we're only at 30 to 40% chances for this rain. Not by any means a slam dunk of clearing the drought conditions, but it's a step in the right direction. And we may see those rain chances linger into the